Did you know that Australia now has new powers to stop visa holders from coming to Australia? There's a lot of misinformation and confusion. Who is affected right now? Who is not affected? And what does this really mean? Most importantly, how to check before traveling and how to travel despite the restrictions. Yes, there are some exemptions. There is a legal way. Of course, as a lawyer, I cannot tell anything unlawful. Well, let's find out. What has changed? The Australian government has introduced new arrival control powers. These powers allow the Minister for Immigration to restrict travel to Australia for specified class of offshore temporary visa holders during periods of international risk and disruption. What is an arrival control determination? An arrival control determination is a legal instrument that can temporarily suspend travel to Australia for certain temporary visa holders who are outside Australia. Importantly, it does not cancel the visa and does not change the visa expiry date. But while the determination is in force, affected visa holders may not be able to travel to Australia. Now, how can you check before you travel? Before making travel arrangements, affected visa holders should check whether their visa has been impacted. There are information on our website, which is www.dlegal.com.au, which includes the department's arrival control determination portal. Otherwise, you could go straight to the departmental website and find the information as well. Now let's see who is affected. That is where fake news run riot. The determination does not affect everyone. It does not apply to 1. People who are already in Australia when the determination commenced. 2. Spouse, de facto partners or dependent child of an Australian citizen or a permanent resident. 3. Parents of a child under 18 in Australia. Number 4. People who hold a valid Permitted Travel Certificate, also known as a PTC. How to travel despite the restriction? What is the Permitted Travel Certificate? A Permitted Travel Certificate may allow a person to travel despite the travel restriction. These are considered on a case-by-case basis and only in limited circumstances. For example, it may assist someone who is the parent of an Australian citizen or a person who can strongly demonstrate why is legal help important. A PTC, that is a Permanent Travel Certificate, request should be supported by a strong legal submission and proper evidence. Timing is also important because requests should usually be made at least 2 weeks before travel and not more than 2 months before the intended travel date. Who is affected right now? From 26 March 2026, the current determination applies to certain offshore Iranian visitor visa holders, that is subclass 600. But this information is also important. This affects people who are 1. Outside Australia, 2. Hold a subclass 600 visitor visa, 3. Used an Iranian passport in their visa application. If you think you or your family members may be affected by these travel restrictions, get legal advice before traveling. A proper assessment and a well-prepared submission can make a significant difference. If you find this information useful, please like our pages and you can also subscribe to our channels. Until we see you next time, look after yourself and others. Be good and may all beings be happy. Bye for now.